I hope this shit don't hit me with this phone. Here, hold this real quick so I can go right there. Hold that. Don't. Ooh, look. What the fuck is going on out here, man? Hold this. Don't put your hand in front of the... That shit crazy. That shit like back to back.
Y'all see that airplane in the sky too?
Hey, look, come here, check it out.
I can see it good from right here. Y'all ain't see that little airplane?
Where's that?
I can see it I can see it through his phone.
What airplane?
I can see it in your phone over there going through the clouds. Or if it ain't no airplane, it's a UFO.
Let me see.
You gotta go over there. Where I was just at.
Look.
You see, I got it. Yeah.
Let me see.
Damn, where the fuck?
Yeah, I'm getting all of it. But I want you to see that little plane that's going through the clouds, or that's a UFO.
Whoa, what the fuck?
I ain't never
Hold
seen
up.
something like this.
That's on.
What you see?
Hold up. Hey, come look at this. Cause I don't see no plane. I only see it on there.
No, you got oh, you
What?
see that
Oh,
shit?
Let me see. Let me see.
I'm not finna walk home in a minute.
You see the plane?
Man, you can't see it right here, nigga. The trees, I seen it right there. It's going through the clouds.
I see it.
No, airplane would go through no phone like that.
No, it's going through the clouds.
That's a UFO or something.
Yeah, that's something. You see it?
That motherfucker gone now.
Damn.
Did you get that on the phone?
Yeah, I got all that.
Something ain't right, cuz. You can feel that shit. Y'all can't
Damn.
Kind of weird.
That's right there. I know we are looking outside.
Well, let me get my kids before everything start happening. That's crazy. Wow. Don't you know it probably ain't even like this in LA? No, because when it's not. When it was raining out here, it wasn't raining out there.
Hey, the thing is, it got
Damn!
Damn.
what's that, like an orange color?
Man, that shit was like, I got all of it.
You getting all this shit?
Hell yeah.
That shit
Man,
like,
no, go back to how I was. Yeah, up in there, like right there.
that shit be blue. That shit like a purple color. Like, that
Not
shit
right there, it's blue.
orange.
On a real, like an orange is purple or some shit.
See, now it's going from side to side.
Ooh.
See, I said stay right there. That's what's
I know
really at.
Tyrone was scared. He walking home.
Put it up some.
What you mean up some?
Up, go up.
He start breaking. He probably ready right there. Why that motherfucker seem like he's getting closer and closer?
Yeah.
Yeah, that maybe not even gonna walk right now. Weird ass pipe.
Damn.
He's gonna probably be forest because of this. I did.
That shit crazy.
Okay, that's the purple one.